Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a rule and apply it to your list on Microsoft Lists in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your Microsoft Lists account, log into your Microsoft account for that, and here under My Lists, inside your account, click into the given list you would like to edit and customize. I will go with this one here, workout list. So what you want to do, guys, is you may go through your list here and apply a rule. To apply a rule, click into the drop-down menu at the top and choose Create a Rule. And here, guys, you can choose one of these rule types, for example, and when the given rule applies to the given item on your list, it may trigger, for example, a follow-up action, right? So that's a rule. So you can go with one of these applicable rules here. Let's say, for instance, an item is deleted from your list. So when you, for example, delete an item, you can trigger or tell Microsoft Lists to trigger an action that will, for example, send a notification email to all invited users to that, let's say, activity. If it's a workout list, I don't know, you cancel this event here or this activity, and those who have been invited will be notified of that automatically so that you don't have to do this. So what you want to do, guys, is, for example, create a custom message here. And you can also enter the email addresses here from that list. Click into that list and you will see, for example, these options: created by, modified by, and also the invited users below. And here you can create a custom message, like, for example, event cancelled or something like that. And that's basically, oh, there's a typo, sorry. You can also expand that list here. And let me select, for example, this user, just for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, click into create to create a rule. And that's it. So you will see the rule here under manage rules. You can also access it for the given list here at the top, rules, select manage rules. And then you will see that that's which rules are currently available and also activated. So you may deactivate them here and you will see the given rule here. So you may click into it to customize it, to add more users to that list, to customize the message, and you can also delete the rule here. And that's how it works, guys. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.